If your septic system is wrecking your lawn, you gotta know how to fix that fast before it gets worse. So, first off, stop parking or driving on the drain field. Like, even if it seems harmless, the weight crushes the pipes and soil underneath, messing up how your septic system works. Next, keep heavy stuff off the grass where your system is buried. If you notice soggy or dead patches, don't ignore them. Those are signs the system might be leaking or clogged. Call a septic pro to check for leaks or backups so you can catch problems early. Aerate your lawn regularly to help the soil breathe and absorb wastewater better. Also, avoid planting deep-rooted trees or shrubs near your drain field because roots can damage the pipes. Use water efficiently inside your home to reduce strain on the septic system, like fixing leaks and spreading out laundry loads. Lastly, get your septic tank pumped every 3 to 5 years to prevent overflow and protect your lawn from damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems causing lawn damage is ignoring the drain field's importance. Parking or driving on it crushes pipes and leads to leaks. Fix that by keeping vehicles off and reinforcing the area if needed. Another common issue is not getting regular septic tank pumping, which causes backups that flood the lawn with sewage. Schedule pumping on time to avoid this mess. The third problem is planting big trees or shrubs too close to the system. Their roots can break pipes and create leaks. The fix? Choose shallow-rooted plants and keep heavy landscaping away from your drain field. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle septic system repairs without making a mess of your lawn. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real customers looking for reliable work nearby, making the whole process smoother for everyone.